What if I told you that one free AI tool can help you make money online? Even if you have no experience, you can still do it. And this tool is called ChatGPT. It's an AI tool that we all know very well, that we all use almost every day on our daily basis. Many people have been using ChatGPT the wrong way. So in this video, I will explain to you how you can use it to make money online. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. So there are many ways you can make money on ChatGPT. There are a lot of ways. A lot of people are using it the wrong way just by searching for something or something else. But a lot of people are using it wrong. There are many ways to make money using ChatGPT. And one of the ways I'll be talking about is by using it to generate logos, photos, or pictures to sell it online. This one you can do it just by telling ChatGPT, giving ChatGPT a prompt. If your company needs a logo, like one of these, it works for freelancers. Like if you are doing Fiverr, Upwork, and all of them, you can tell ChatGPT to generate a certain logo for you that this company really need it or something like that, and you go to Fiverr and sell it for like $10, $5, $8, $20. But a lot of people are not using this tool just like the way they are supposed to be using it. So this is one of the way that you can make money with ChatGPT. You can generate logos and then sell it on Fiverr, Upwork, and all of them, those freelancer sites. Another way you can make money with ChatGPT is by content creation. ChatGPT can generate a lot of things for you to create content. If you are a YouTuber, a Facebook creator, content creator, and any creator of any app that you are creating, any platform that you are creating, be it Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, all of them, name it, you can use ChatGPT to generate the ideas for you to create that particular video or that particular picture that you want to use for that video. Let me say, if you are doing YouTube video and you need a thumbnail that you need to use, you can tell ChatGPT to generate the idea or generate the thumbnail itself for you. And if you want to do a particular video, a certain video, and you don't know where to start from, you can tell ChatGPT to generate the ideas for that video for you to be able to record the video. ChatGPT can do a lot of that. You can use this ChatGPT to generate prompt for your AI videos, for a lot, let's name it. There are a lot of things you can use ChatGPT to do. A lot of people are using it the wrong way. If you have not been making money with ChatGPT, start from today and start using it to make money. You can go into content creation or start doing freelancing works just by this same ChatGPT. So if you are in the aspect of content creation, you can tell ChatGPT to guide you through. If you want to start a Facebook page or a Facebook channel, so you can tell ChatGPT to start from scratch and start teaching you like a coach. If as of YouTube, you can tell ChatGPT everything that you need on YouTube or Facebook content creation, even TikTok. ChatGPT can do all of that for you. So if you find any value from so here are the way that you can make money from ChatGPT. I know that you found. So if you found any value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.